If your Skyrim game is running in an incorrect resolution, then in order to fix this, just follow these simple steps. Now, if you don't use the launcher to open up the game, then you cannot change any of these settings. So right-click on the shortcut and then go into the file location. Here you will find the Skyrim launcher application. Go ahead and open it up and then click on Options. Now here you can find the resolution within the drop-down menu. If you have already opened up the game, then you cannot find the resolution or the quality setting. Make sure that the windowed mode is unchecked as well. And now after you have chosen the correct resolution, click on the OK button to apply your changes. You can now click on the play button and your game will now start running in the correct resolution. And that is how easy it is to fix the incorrect resolution issues on the Skyrim game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.